This is the garden view at the Me by Meliá Sitges. Honestly, guys, I am super speechless about this hotel. Starting off with the bathroom. Looks so good. We've got glasses. Got products from the Co Bigelow Aesthetics. Got towels on there, the hairdryer, dental, shaving kits, all liquid on the floor. And then we got a nice big shower, which I am looking forward to try later on. And we also got some shampoo and stuff on there as well by the same company. Here we had the nice concierge guys actually taking all the stuff and put it on the shelf for us, which was really, really nice of him. We got some robes, we got some slippers, looks like we got a laundry bag, we got the bed. I'll do a bed testing in a minute, but my opinion looks very, very soft. We have a lovely sitting area here. Because if we look back over the room, we've got this beautiful, beautiful space. And yes, my name is on the television. And we have a lovely view of a beach. Absolutely beautiful. We got an espresso machine. We've got all these lovely teas beautifully presented in this vintage kettle. We've got some water, and then we've got the mini bar down here. And we've got some local products as well. You can even get the scent, the essence of me for €33 for the aroma, or you can get the candle for €23, which I might buy. Treat yourself. Got all the little liqueurs. We have a safe, and this is our garden view. It's beautiful, isn't it? It smells gorgeous here, guys. I can't tell you how awesome it smells. Also got some reading material here from Besso and a art magazine too. But there we are. That is the Meliá Sitges Terramar Garden View Room. I just realised there was a secret door I forgot. And I was thinking to myself, where's the toilet? The toilet is in here in this little cubby space, which is really nice. Yay, we found a little cubby hole so I can actually put my phone and show you guys what the bed's like here at the Meliá Sitges. And honestly, guys, just look at the bed. This bed is made for something. Oh, love it. I absolutely love it. So cool.